of the most popular residential heating systems is hot water baseboard heat. First, contractors love it because it's quick and easy to install, there's no ductwork, and homeowners like it because it's pretty efficient and really warms the house beautifully. Now, the one thing you do have to maintain if you're a homeowner that has hot water baseboard heat is cleaning the heating element. And I'll show you what you need to do. First, remove the end cap. There's usually a metal tab on the bottom, you just have to pull it off. Then where two lengths of baseboard meet, you'll see a splice plate. Just pop that off. And then the front panel is removable. Just lift up and pull it the top edge forward and it should pop right off. And now you see, whoa, now you see why it's important to clean it. This isn't only done, I see a lot of white fur. Well, where'd all this white fur come from? Huh? Are you putting more white fur in my heating system? You little troublemaker. Okay, get out of here. Regardless of whether it's fur or from pets, which obviously we've got here, or just dust that floats around in the air, what happens is, the way this heating system works is there's a 3/4 inch copper pipe that runs through the middle of this. And the hot water heats up these aluminum fins and they radiate the heat. So by convection, as the heated air rises, because heated air always rises, it pulls in cooler air. And if there's dust anywhere in the house, that dust gets pulled in as well, winds up getting trapped not only behind the front panel, as you can see in the front panel, then of course it clogs up the fins. And all that airspace is necessary to let the hot air out. So you can imagine how inefficient this system is. Fortunately, it's a pretty easy fix. All you need to do is vacuum it out. And there's several tools to use for vacuuming it. You could try just using the wand itself to get underneath. Now I will say, you do want to be careful. These aluminum fins are pretty delicate. You want to bend them all up because if you crush them or bend them, again, air can't float through it. So you can use just the wand, or what I prefer to use is the crevice tool. Every vacuum has one of this narrow tool, so it really gets in there. But again, you just want to be really careful. In that case, the crevice tool seemed to have gotten almost all of it, and I'm just going to go by with the upholstery brush just to get the last little bit. And again, you just want to be careful not to damage those fins. There you go. How long did that take? I don't know how much longer it's going to stay clean, thanks to this guy. But you can see, just in a couple of minutes with the vacuum, it's perfectly clean. So if you do that, again, at least once a year, or if you have a very hairy friend, maybe twice a year, you'll keep your heating efficiency way up. Now, if you do come across any bent or damaged aluminum fins, or if you accidentally damage them yourself, there is a quick fix, and all you need is a butter knife. So you just want to be really careful, go down and straighten out. You can see these have got all bent over. I did not do that. I found them like this, but you can very carefully, with the butter knife, straighten those out. And the reason you want to do that is, there you go. The reason you want to do that is if they're compressed together, again, the hot air can't come out. And what's the point if it's not creating warm air?